Tired of losing all those hard-earned 5-star reviews when your business structure changes? Unfortunately, directly transferring reviews between different Google Business Profile accounts is not a built-in feature. Google's policy generally prevents this. To maintain the integrity and authenticity of the review system, they want to ensure reviews reflect genuine customer experiences with a specific business at a specific location. However, there are a few scenarios where you might be able to retain or indirectly transfer review value if you're simply changing ownership but the business name, location, and services remain the same. You can request a transfer of ownership within the Google Business Profile dashboard. The new owner inherits the existing profile and all its reviews. To do this, the current primary owner needs to invite the new owner as an owner or manager, then transfer the primary ownership to them. If you're restructuring or rebranding, consider the impact on your existing listing. If the core business remains the same but the name changes, update the name within your Google Business Profile. Keep the same location to preserve your reviews. Google does have a support system where you can request a transfer. Make sure the support request is clear and concise. You will have to present supporting documentation to prove the business transfer. If a direct transfer isn't possible, focus on leveraging your existing reviews. Embed your Google reviews on your website. Request customer testimonials for your website. If you operate multiple locations under separate listings, respond to every review, both positive and negative. This will demonstrate a commitment to customer service and will encourage other customers to leave reviews. For the most up-to-date information and specific guidance, always consult the official Google Business Profile Help Center. Search Google Business Profile Help and find the Transfer Review section.